So, I'll be working on the Yukon. Oh, look who's here. Snoozing. As soon as I leave, though, he'll be awake. So I'm just gonna make sure I have a key, and then we'll go look at this Yukon. See how far we can get with it. I think I have everything. I hope I have everything. Ooh. Stop. What you can see there, but that's off. Little clip I just popped off. Just had two of the same bolts in here. Where'd it go? This in. This is in. Oh, this style. Oh, this style sucks. It's got this plate here. I don't like it. What do I need for that? Let's see. I'm taking that plate off now. I'm not putting it back on either. Can't see what's going on. Can't see what you see. Because it's just too much glare. There we go. That. Steering wheel, I'll just put it here. This, it's got to come off. Now, should be a pin right there for the, what do you call it? It's a different size too. This sucks. This absolutely does suck. The pin should be right there. And it is. Why won't it go? Just want it to press. Just want it to depress a bit. So I can turn this. It doesn't want to do it. Oh well, I think I got it that time. There we go. Beautiful. Now, that's not the right size. I have to go find the right size. T20, baby. What's happening, man? Are you still here? What's going on? Oh, yeah. It's all right, buddy. It's quite all right, buddy. It's quite all right. I should have it on here. And have a little tool here. Right. Right there. Yes. Yes. Quit climbing on me, Stanley. Stay. Go over there. Go up there. No, 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 no. Stay there. Stay. No, 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 no. Stay. Stay standing. Come on. Work with me here. So, what size is that? This one? T20? $15? That looks of it. Now, hopefully I can get in here. No. See that steering wheel locked again. Locked it up. Push that down. Gotta get this over. There we go. Can I get the tool in here? It's in, but not quite. There we go. There's a certain marks. I forget what you call them. There's a certain way this goes on. Steering wheel's got to be in the right position and everything. If it ain't, then it ain't. Okay, I think that's out. And now there's a little tab on this side. I gotta bend that up. Otherwise it won't come out. Where is it? It's right here. Yeah. There we go. That's out. Oh man, what a pain in the ass this is. There we go. It's coming out now. So I had to bend those slightly to get that out, because there's no other way. Let's see how this works. See if it will work. Stripped. It is stripped. can I do? Pushing down. I hope so. I hope that doesn't fly out either. Gotta get this out of here. Looks like it's pushing it. That's all I need. A little bit. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Now you don't want to stretch this little clip. That's gonna be a lot worse putting that one in. Oh no. That's gonna be tough. Maybe not. Hazard lights. Oops. There we go. Signal doohickey. Knock. That comes out. A 92, 90, 91, 92, 93, I'm gonna guess. So with that little plate that was on there, they had a different type of ignition in here. Now, there's the screw right there. I'm gonna break that tab off. Like so. Nice clean break there. This comes out. So he said someone tried stealing this thing. Yeah, and I was right. See this part here? A lot thicker. Every one that with that plate on there came out like that. See this one? Different. Straight across. There we go. That one's done. Okay. Signal light, Doom Hawk. Hazard lights. What are you looking at? Not much, eh? Beautiful. Now what? This plate? Oh, the horn assembly's gone off of there. Wonder if he'll try and nail me for that. And there's a master spline in here too. See the size of that sucker? It's a master spline, that big one. Goes with the big one. Don't put it in any other position because, God, it's not going to go together. This goes on. See, I'm going to try and put this clip onto here. Come on. Oh, I'll go. Oh, no. I'm not going to try it because it'll just go flying and it'll be gone. There's no way. Let's put it on like this. This has to go on next. Now I've got to stick the screwdriver in here. Or this, what do you call it? Wrench. Crescent. Oh, come on. No. There we go. Perfect. Now, hopefully this will tighten down without shooting me in the chest. I can see it. Get it on there. Oh, I don't believe it. Got it. Look at that. What a bonus that is. All right. That plate's not going in. This old ignition in there. The steering wheel. That plate doesn't, I don't know what it does. I honestly don't. I've never found a use for it. Doesn't do anything. There are two little marks. Those line up. Then you can put your steering wheel on. This goes on next. It's going on too. Bonus. Oh yeah. This little thingy goes back in. Oh, come on. They're never that hard. What's going on? There we go. Take that. That's what that should look like. Sometimes. Now this should just go pop in there, turn, but bust it off. He'll have to figure out a way to glue that back in, or whatever he wants to do with it. Keys are in it. Works nice. Nice and shiny, brand new. Beautiful. Turns. Nice. It feels actually pretty good for what it is. So I'm gonna contact this guy. Never know. Done. Hey Stanley, are you watching the place? Hey? I don't know if I should let her run. Walk around. It's okay. Talk to you later.